The first thing I remember is we were invited and chosen to make these designs for them to be put onto the bottom of balconies, the soffit. I definitely feel proud. People are going to be living in these buildings, they're going to be looking up and they're going to be seeing those designs.
I felt proud of myself for making a contribution to the building. I thought it looked quite futuristic.
The challenges when you receive these artworks is obviously the school children will come up with their design, but we're not going to necessarily understand the laser cutting processes that we have to go through. We have to take the design through the manufacturing processes that it should do. Our contract managers are very skilled in that area, go through that detail of the design, understand the elements, how it's going to be designed. The first thing in our heads as a contract manager is, what am I going to be designing this into, which part of the balcony, what are the constraints? At the end of the day, our balconies are systems, so we must make sure that works with the system.
Aylesbury Estate, it was an iconic estate in terms of the buildings that are here. What you can see above me is staircases and the building ends captured from the old buildings and turned into a pattern that replicates outwards from the centre. So that's what a mandala is.
Staircases gave me a sense of communication and opportunity. Gave me a glimpse of the open opportunities there are. Yeah, I just really cherish the mandalas personally.
The fencing there is actually a pattern of the windows of the old blocks. From what it was to what it is now, I was blown away. A proper homage to the pre-existing buildings that were here before. And to have young people's involvement, I just thought it was such a really nice touch. I must say, Sapphire have done an amazing job in transferring the designs on paper into the aluminium sheets above me, which look amazing.